How many times do you get to do something for the first time? Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to my little niece and nephew. Today, I'm a little bit scared because today is the first day that Solana is going to drive me in a car. Solana, I remember Solana when she was like this big, and I held her like a cute little baby, and I would talk to her, and now look at her, she's huge! Unbelievable. Okay, Solana, are you going to take me on my first car drive?
Yes.
Do I need to be afraid?
No, I've had my license for over a year and I've only been rear-ended once.
What? You've only been rear-ended once? But it wasn't your fault?
No, I was not at fault.
Okay. Let's do it. Wish me luck. We're driving.
In a half mile, turn right onto Gull Road.
How come you don't look so scared back there, Suvan?
I ride with all types of crazy drivers.
And how about you, Victoria?
Turn right on.
Yeah, and then let go of the gas when you come out of a turn. Accelerating.
We're about to reach our destination. We're entering the parking lot. Oh, we're entering the parking spot.
I like to find easy parking spots because this is what I'm worst at. If that is real.
This guy looks like Santa Claus, honey. An air
She shifted into park. We made it through our first drive.
Wow.
How do you feel, Solana?
What?
How do you feel? I made it through my first drive with you.
It's okay. I've been doing this for a long time.
a long time. I love it.
So today's teaching point has to do with where you put your hands on the wheel when you're driving. If you're driving at a very slow rate of speed in a parking lot or something similar, I think it's appropriate to put your hands on the top of the wheel because it's very easy to rotate the wheel when your hand is on the top of the wheel. However, when you're driving at a high rate of speed, like on the freeway, I recommend, this is a Dr. Moses recommendation, please put your hands on the bottom half of the wheel because it's much harder to rotate the wheel quickly when your hands are on the bottom half than when they're on the top. If you follow this advice, you could live a very long time. I just wanted to tell you, Solana, that I was a little bit frightened to begin with, but you were so relaxed when you drove
Thank you.
that I actually felt safe.
Because I don't stress out.
That's good.
I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.